Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Test Automation. This is Kiran. Today in this video we mainly discussed about how to capture screenshot and why we need to capture the screenshot in testing and how to capture the screenshot by using the Selenium. Why we need to take the screenshot in testing. When the test case fails, it helps to identify what went wrong in script or an application. Suppose we automate one test case by using the Selenium. After running the test case, it was failing at the mid of the execution. So we need to understand why it was failing. By capturing the screenshot when it fails, then we can easily understand whether if in the script the element is showing but the script cannot access that element within a time. By the time we need to give a wait time to access the particular element in few scenarios, or if the application does not have that element or it was not showing in the particular run of the application, or the application not behaving as expected, and for the documentation can be used to create the test report or provided evidences of specific test scenario and the results. Let's see how to capture the screenshot of the full page and section of the page and element of the. Let's jump into the IntelliJ. Initializing the Chrome driver and create an object for the and maximizing the page. And in this video for the demo I'm using the Parabank demo page. Let's see how to capture the full page. Capture full page. In the Selenium we have one interface like takes screenshot. Here we typecasting the driver into the take screenshot. Here the take screenshot is also an interface. Capturing the screenshot. After capturing the screenshot, we need to place it in a file as a source. Once we captured, it is saved in the source, and we need to copy this file into the in our local project. So we need to copy that file into the target. For that, I am creating one file to copy the source to the target. Here I want to save in my project in the screenshot folder. And I'm giving the name to the particular image like full page dot the extension of that image. I want to save this file name as a full page and with the extension as a .png. After that, I want to copy from source to the target. Copy file, source to target. Let's run the program. Let's see. It takes the screenshot for the full page. Let's see for the second one is capture the screenshot for the section. Let's comment out this one. Capture section. Here initially for the which section we need to take the screenshot. Let's say suppose I want to take the screenshot for this online services section. Let's find out inspect the element for the online services. This is, let's write the XPath for this. Class equal to services. Object for the web element, driver dot find element by dot XPath. The remaining script will be same like whatever the capture the screenshot. Here instead of take screenshot, we are using the web element dot get screenshot as output type dot file. After get the screenshot, I want to copy that file into the project as a section. I want to change this file name as a section dot right now. If I will change the extension to the JPG or JPG source and target. Let's run the program. Let's see the section. Here you can see the first one is the PNG and second one is the JPG. Whatever the extension I given to that particular image, it was saving with that extension itself. Let's see for the web element. For a particular element, I want to capture the logo of this bank, that is a para bank. Img class equal to logo. Just I am taking the class. Let's create capture element. Let's create a web element for the logo equal to driver dot find element by dot export. Paste it over here and commenting this. Let's place the logo to here. Let's rerun the program. Let's run the program. So I want to change it to the logo. Let's run the program again. See here, we got the logo and we can see the logo captured. We can revise again once. Why we need to take the screenshot in testing. When the test case fails, it helps to identify what went wrong in script or application. For the documentation, we can use to create the test report or provide evidences of specific test scenario and their results. In this video, we can see the how to capture the screenshot for the full page, section of the page and element. That's it for this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.